In 2025, you don't need a shop or big investment to start earning. With the right machines, compact, powerful, and money-making, you can build a real business from home. These machines are turning simple ideas into daily profits. In today's video, I'll show you 7 machines to kickstart your journey, and trust me, number 4 will surprise you. Number 1. Car key duplicating machine. People lose car keys every day, secondhand car buyers often get only one key, and most dealerships charge high prices for duplicates. That's where the car key duplicating machine becomes a solid small business opportunity. This compact machine allows you to duplicate car keys, including traditional mechanical and modern chip-based transponder keys. You'll need blank key materials and electricity. The machine itself costs between $400 to $600, making it one of the most affordable tools to start your own service business. You can duplicate most keys in under 10 minutes, charging between $10 to $80 depending on the type. Serving even 5 to 10 customers daily can generate $1,000 to $2,500 monthly income. This is a low-risk, high-demand business, especially in busy urban areas. Locksmiths, hardware stores, and entrepreneurs offering mobile services are tapping into this market because replacement keys are an everyday need. Number 2. Ice cream roll machine. Turning desserts into live experiences has never been easier thanks to the ice cream roll machine. Using a cold metal surface, this machine freezes liquid ice cream mix right in front of customers. Add fruits, chocolates, or toppings, then roll it into beautiful ice cream rolls. Fresh, fun, and trendy. You'll need ice cream mix, fruits, toppings, and electricity. The machine costs around $800 to $1,500, making it an affordable startup option. You can prepare 50 to 100 servings per day depending on speed and demand. Each serving sells for $3 to $7, generating daily revenue between $150 to $700. Profit margins are high, making it a lucrative food business. Dessert kiosks, food trucks, cafes, and pop-up stalls love this machine because it's compact, easy to operate, and customers enjoy watching their ice cream made fresh on the spot. Number 3. Half coconut cutting machine. Cutting hard coconuts by hand takes time, effort, and can be unsafe. The half coconut cutting machine solves this problem by splitting coconuts into perfect halves within seconds. With a sharp stainless steel blade and powerful motor, this compact tool delivers fast, precise cuts, ideal for commercial use. You'll need fresh coconuts and electricity to operate the machine. The machine is priced between $900 to $1,800 depending on the model and features. It can cut 6 to 10 coconuts per minute, providing quick output for businesses. Processed coconut halves sell for $1 to $3 each, giving steady daily income. Monthly profits can reach $500 to $1,000 depending on your scale. Juice bars, temples, sweet shops, and coconut oil units need this service daily, making this machine a smart investment for reliable business growth. Number 4. Shoe washer machine. In places where hygiene is non-negotiable, the shoe washer machine is making life easier. This compact yet powerful machine cleans and sanitizes shoes without the need for manual scrubbing, making it perfect for hospitals, food factories, labs, gyms, and any location where keeping dirt outside is essential. The machine uses strong brushes, water jets, and in some models, disinfectants to deep clean shoe soles in just seconds. It ensures consistent hygiene and reduces labor costs, especially in industries where cleanliness standards are strict. To run this machine, you'll need water supply, disinfectants, optional, and electricity. The price range starts from $800 and goes up to $1,300 depending on the model and features. A single machine can handle hundreds of people daily, charging a small fee per use, or you can rent the machine to industries. With proper placement in malls, offices, factories, or hospitals, this machine can generate $500 to $1,500 monthly income. What's even better is the rising awareness around cleanliness, especially post-pandemic, has increased demand for automatic hygiene solutions. Public places, industries, and even high-end homes are adopting these machines to maintain spotless floors and reduce contamination. It's a low-maintenance machine, offering consistent results and high demand in hygiene-conscious environments. For entrepreneurs, this offers a business with steady income, minimal operational hassle, and the potential to scale by adding more machines to different locations. Number 5. Bike helmet washing machine. With millions of motorcycles on the road, helmet hygiene often gets ignored. Sweat, Dust, bacteria, and odor build up inside helmets, making them unhygienic and uncomfortable. The bike helmet washing machine is the perfect solution, offering quick, automatic helmet cleaning for daily riders. Ideal for public places like malls, metro stations, fuel stations, and parking lots, this self-service machine uses air pressure, disinfectant spray, and UV sterilization to clean helmets thoroughly within 3 to 5 minutes. The process is simple. Users place their helmet inside, pay a small fee, and collect a fresh, clean helmet in minutes. No staff is required, making it a low-maintenance, passive income business. To operate, you'll need disinfectant supplies, basic cleaning materials, and electricity. The machine costs between $2,000 to $2,400, with each wash priced at $1 to $2 for the customer. In busy urban areas with just 30 to 50 uses daily, this machine can generate $900 to $1,500 per month in income. The demand is huge among delivery riders, daily commuters, and bike taxi services where hygiene is critical. This machine offers convenience for customers and steady, low-effort income for business owners, making it a smart investment for those targeting high-traffic locations. Number 6, coffee vending machine. Coffee isn't just a drink, it's part of daily life for millions. The coffee vending machine taps into this demand by providing consistent, high-quality coffee without the need for a full-time barista. Perfect for offices, hospitals, schools, malls, or even roadside kiosks, this machine offers convenience, speed, and profit. It works by dispensing hot coffee with just the push of a button. Some models also serve tea, hot chocolate, or flavored drinks, making it versatile for different customer preferences. To operate, you'll need coffee premix, cups, stirrers, and electricity. The machine price starts at $2,500 to $2,800, depending on features like cup counters, multiple drink options, and automated cleaning functions. One cup typically sells for 50 cents to $1, with per cup costs often under 20 cents. With strategic placement in high footfall areas, even selling 50 cups daily can bring in $600 to $1,200 monthly income per machine. The growing coffee culture, especially in cities, makes this a scalable, low-maintenance business model. Many entrepreneurs start with one machine, then expand to multiple locations as demand grows. Coffee vending is not just a product sale. It's a convenience people happily pay for. For those looking to start a small yet steady business, this machine offers excellent profit potential with minimal daily management. Number 7, head chamfering machine. If you've ever seen metal rods, bolts, or pipes with sharp edges, you know how dangerous and unpolished they can look. That's where the head chamfering machine becomes essential. It smooths and bevels the edges or heads of round metal parts, making them safe, precise, and ready for further processing like threading or welding. This machine is a must-have for industries dealing with metal fabrication, engineering workshops, and manufacturing units. It removes burrs and sharp edges consistently, which manual chamfering cannot guarantee. To operate, you'll need raw metal rods, basic tools, and electricity. The machine costs between $1,500 to $2,300, depending on size, speed, and automation features. With proper setup, you can process 2,000 to 5,000 metal pieces daily, offering chamfering services or finishing products for industrial use. Charging just 10 to 25 cents per piece can generate $1,500 to $3,500 or more in monthly income, depending on your scale and client base. Industries like construction, automotive, and metal workshops need this service daily, creating steady demand. Unlike basic service businesses, chamfering offers entry into industrial markets with higher profit margins and repeat clients. This machine also reduces labor time, improves product quality, and enhances safety, making it a value addition to any metal fabrication setup. For entrepreneurs wanting to target manufacturing industries, the head chamfering machine offers a profitable, scalable, and professional-grade business opportunity. These 8 powerful machines prove you don't need massive investment or a fancy setup to start earning. Whether it's vending, food, or industrial services, small machines can create real income from home or a small space. All you need is the right idea and a little effort. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more practical business ideas.